I have noticed lately an increase in the effort by people at Crawley to become involved with detached sites such as ourselves.
Our story is really good, and I think that's a way of getting the business message from the top right down to individuals and actually engaging groups of people and teams with that message.
I have definitely felt that colleagues are more engaged with Thales through various means like the Employee Engagement Forum and the People Forum.
We've had quite a few extra visits by the HR team coming down and giving the employees here at Bryce Norton the opportunity to have one-to-one discussions with them.
Yes, certainly. There's been a lot of information coming down from Crawley.
Understanding what we're doing internally really gives me a clear sense of where the business is, and also makes me feel proud of some of the projects we're delivering as well.
It's been really great to sort of bring some of those messages through to the work that I do and actually engage people in the sort of bigger context of the business and what it means for their roles.
The staff now feel more engaged, which makes it less work for me. So when I'm passing information down, they've been made aware of that. I don't get as many complaints that they don't see anyone from Crawley and they feel unloved.
It's just adding familiarity with what Thales offers as an employer in the UK, and face-to-face discussion is always much nicer.
It's really good that we've got a clear direction, and it does make you feel more motivated.
I've been directly involved in actually helping the exec teams form their sort of ambition boost plans, and now part of the management team that's implementing that and managing through the business.
Ambition 10 has been well briefed to us by our site manager, site training manager, but it hasn't made an awful lot of difference in what we do because we're well motivated anyway in providing a service to our customers.
Some of the more sort of personnel side of the Ambition 10, we already practice at and do that quite well here at Marham.
We continue to develop the academy along the lines of Ambition 10.
My work is all about people in the organisation and improving their contribution to the work that we do.
I want to be a part of where Thales is actually going in the next 10, 15 years.
I like the idea of the Employee Engagement Champions, which has just been started. That will definitely bring more focus to engagement on the customer sites.
I want to be part of a company that wins business, and we can only do that with the right employees. So there's sort of a selfish view, but there's also the view that, you know, employees need to be engaged to make the company successful, and that's ultimately what we're here for.
We do a certain amount of sharing information and practices between sites.
One of our engineers has also been down to Bryce Norton to the simulator there as well. So I'm sure he's brought back some ideas and potential things that our engineers here could benefit from.
We use their ideas, they use ours. We pool resource, pool ideas to get the best out of everybody.
There's been a definite improvement in the engagement work, but I do think we can do things better. I think maybe engaging in different ways, non-traditional ways.
It brought about everybody within the company being informed about what other people do within the company, whereas in the past they haven't necessarily known what goes on between sites.
My recommendation would be that every employee, when starting employment with Thales UK, starts with an induction course at Crawley.
More feedback of all the good stuff that is being done.
We've really got to get into the one-to-one personal engagement.
We should be using the operational staff as SMEs earlier in the bid phases of our growing services.
We now need a two-way communication. At the moment, the flow is one way, downhill to us. We need to engage both ways.
I think we're on the right path. Keep listening and let's go forwards.